I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
Contract Freighters Inc. in Joplin, Missouri started with trucks like this 1952 GMC. It's a 4-cylinder Detroit diesel with a 5-speed transmission and a 2-speed rear axle. That was standard for GMCs back then. It has a nicely restored Gramm trailer, which was very popular back then as well. This is a replica unit with what CFI started with. Contract Freighters Inc. CFI was a truckload carrier. In 2007, they were sold to Conway. At the time of the sale, they operated over 2,600 tractors, more than 7,000 trailers, and employed approximately 2,500 drivers. This was not a long-haul truck. The gas tanks are too small. It has a bench seat, and it would not have been a comfortable truck.
John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button